Kashmir has always been known as a place of Sufis and saints. And it goes without saying that the Sufis and saints not only taught to keep peace and brotherhood alive in the society, but also worked towards it. And this example of age-old religious harmony is proved by the existence of shrine of Hazrat Makhum Sahab at the foot of Kohi Maran in Srinagar, where just a few meters away is a Gurudwara and a temple where azan from the masjid, sound of the temple bells and Gurudwara's kirtan are heard simultaneously. This place is a beautiful example of different religions coexisting peacefully. At Makhdoom Sahib's shrine, devotees from all religions and sectors can be seen queuing up to be at peace.
You will see people from all walks of life and sects coming here around the year. There is no bias or enmity between different communities. Devotees who visit the temple or the Gurdwara also pay their respect here at the shrine and then go back. It is a perfect example of what our forefathers practiced, and we are carrying it forward.
The most beautiful thing to witness here was when the doors of the temple were opened by a local Muslim man for us. The Muslim man has been the caretaker of the temple for over 3 decades and welcomes everybody from all religions, and that is real example of religious harmony in Kashmir.
चाबी वाबी हमारे पास ही है, हम इसकी देखभाल करते हैं। इस वक्त कोई आता है तो हम खोलते हैं उस वक्त।
The keys remain with us, and when somebody came here, we open the door for them. The brotherhood between our community is age-old. We have grown together with Pandits and Sikhs. So this is very natural that we live peacefully.
भले वो यहाँ नहीं है, इस वक्त जम्मू में है, हम यहाँ के ही रहने वाले हैं, मंदिर के साथ ही हमारा मकान है।
The signs of brotherhood between different communities is not only between Muslims and Hindus, but can also be witnessed between Sikhs in Kashmir, who are an important part of this society. The Chatti Padshahi Gurudwara here not only attracts Sikh devotees, but people from the Muslim and Hindu community can also be seen coming here for Kirtan.
जैसे हमारे गुरबानी में लिखा है, अव्वल अल्लाह नूर उपाया.
We all are one, and that is what all religions teach. We have never had issue with each other. We have always lived peacefully and helped each other in tough time. Our love will always remain so.
मेल मिला के रहे हैं, कभी भी ऐसा संकट नहीं हुआ, कभी भी ऐसा दुख नहीं देखा हमने उनके साथ। उन्होंने हमारी मदद की, हमने उनकी मदद की, कभी भी हम जुदा ना होए। ये प्यार जो हमेशा बना है।
The valley has witnessed many turmoil and violence, but the peace and brotherhood between different communities was never affected by any situation. The valley has always remained an epitome of religious unity, will continue to be like that. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.